We're in the lovely Edna Valley outside of San Luis Obispo, California. We make a whole slew of wines. We're best known for Chardonnay. We make Syrah, Pinot Noir, Cabernet, Merlot, Sauvignon Blanc, all very familiar names to wine lovers everywhere, I'm sure. My name is Harry Hansen. I'm Director of Winemaking here at Edna Valley Vineyard. The Central Coast is a very interesting place to make wine. The nights are very cool. The daytimes range from cool to hot depending upon where you are, but it's excellent weather for growing grapes, as well as for tourism. What's unique about Edna Valley is partly about the place and partly about what we do here. We're 6 miles from the Pacific Ocean. Wonderful Pinot Noir and Chardonnay that we grow here. And then we do some fun things. In addition to the wines which are available at the supermarket, we also make a wide variety of wines for our club and for our tasting room.
I'm Blythe Foster. I'm the hospitality manager here at Edna Valley Vineyard. We are open year-round for tasting, tours, picnicking, and private events. We not only offer wine tasting, but we also have a gourmet gift shop here, as well as a self-guided tour through our vineyard, as well as a lot of public events. We have concerts during the summer. We have cooking demonstrations. Our wine enthusiasts did honor us as one of the best places to be married in wine country. We offer 3 different wine clubs. We have our Club Edna, which is a sample of white and red wines. You can receive 20% off a wine, 15% off of merchandise, and complimentary tasting for up to 4 guests anytime you visit. So if you want more information on our tasting, tours, any of our special events or private events, you can visit our website, which is www.ednavalleyvineyard.com. Or you can always call us at 805-544-5855.